Do you want to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok using your iPhone? TikTok lets you create a video response to any comment on your post. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step how to reply to a TikTok comment with a video. So let's see. First, open up the TikTok app on your iPhone. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Open the video to reply a comment. Then, tap on the comment icon under the save icon. Now, tap on reply under the comment. Here, you'll get a video button. Tap on it. Now, record a video by tapping the red circle. Or you can add a video from the gallery by tapping the gallery icon from the right corner. Now, select the video. Tap next. Here, you'll see the comment on your screen. You can move anywhere in the screen up to down or left to right like this. After placing your comment, tap next again, and then post it. And there you have it. This is the way to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok using your iPhone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Take care.